Right guys, today I'm going to be cleaning my keyboard with my Dyson Big Ball Multi-Floor 2. Now this is one of the ball Dysons. As you can see, it's got the top all over feature, and I'm going to be using the crevice tool to clean my keyboard and my desk. So yeah, let's set the suction first. Let's clean the keyboard then. So let's get started. This is the Dyson I'm using. It's got a bit of dust in the bin there, but not too much. Anyway, let's clean the keyboard off. So here we go. So yeah, this video is for everyday living. Anyway. Dyson here. Right, let's go. Right, let's try here. A bit good space to watch me clean my computer. So yeah, here we go. Here's the Dyson going. Right, here we go, guys. I'm using the crevice. Yes, I'm using the crevice tool, as you can see. So let's get started. And that's what I've cleaned so far. So there's a bit of dust there. I've got to clean all these hairs under. So yeah, the softness on the crevice tool speeds up my keyboard. I did a mouse mat as well. Also doing, yeah, so the cobwebs are already gone. Right. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.